Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Trustpilot reviews to your Shopify store. Integrating customer reviews is one of the best ways to build credibility and trust with your audience. And I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so it's simple and straightforward. First, we need to install the Farah app, which is an excellent tool for managing and displaying customer reviews on Shopify. Farah provides a lot of features that let you showcase reviews in a professional, seamless way without having to write code or hire a developer. To get started, head over to the Shopify App Store. Once you're there, search for Farah, and you'll see it listed among the results. Click install and follow the on-screen instructions to add it to your Shopify store. Keep in mind that to unlock all the features needed for importing and displaying Trustpilot reviews, you'll need to subscribe to one of their plans. They offer multiple tiers depending on the size and needs of your business, so pick the one that works best for your store. Once the app is installed and your plan is activated, head over to the Farah dashboard. Here you'll find a variety of options, but the section we're focusing on today is the review section. Inside the review section, click Add Review. This is where Farah really stands out because it gives you multiple ways to bring in reviews. You can import them, write them manually, or request them from your customers. For this tutorial, we're going to import reviews directly from Trustpilot. Select Trustpilot as the source, and make sure you've connected your Trustpilot account with Farah. This step is very important because it ensures the reviews displayed on your store are authentic and reliable. Follow the prompts to log into your Trustpilot account and authorize Farah to access your reviews. Once the connection is complete, Farah will start importing your reviews directly into your Shopify store. Now your store visitors will be able to see real, trusted reviews, which can greatly influence their purchasing decisions. Authentic reviews not only boost customer confidence, but also increase your store's conversion rates and overall credibility. And that's it. Integrating Trustpilot with your Shopify store using the Farah app is that simple. Take some time to explore Farah further because it has many other features that can enhance your store's review management and overall customer experience. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below with any questions or other Shopify tutorials you'd like to see. Happy selling!